So again, if you see 3 strengths or 3 concentration, what do you use? Alligation. If you have to dilute something, make a higher concentration into a lesser concentration, what do you use? C1V1 equals C2V2, or your dilution. Okay? Can we do some practice problems? Okay. Number 1. How many milligrams of beryllium chloride are needed to prepare 3 liters of 1:30,000 solution? What I would do, I'd encircle the word milligrams, because that should be my final answer, because most of the time your final answer will come out to be grams. And that's how they trick you. Okay? I would encircle that. Needed to prepare 3 liters. 1:30,000 solution. What do you do here?
You change that liter to 3,000.
You change your liter right away to milliliters, 3,000 ml, right? But what does this mean to me? What are the other numbers that I need to use?
1 to 30,000.
1 over 30,000, you said. What does 1 mean?
1 gram.
1 G. Okay, what does 30,000 mean? Milliliters. Equals X. What will this be? G first, right? Because remember, weight over volume is always grams over ml. Is that clear? Okay. So, what does this give you? What's, huh? 100 grams. But it says how much is that in milligrams. So what do we do? 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. So what's your answer?
Oh, wait. Sorry. No, it's 100 milligrams. My bad.
Okay. So again. So 3,000. Help me out here. I don't have a calculator. 3,000 divided by 30,000 is 0.1. This is still in G. Okay. So let's convert that to milligrams, and that would give you 1 to 3. 100 grams.
Milligrams.
I'm sorry, milligrams now. 100 milligrams. So your answer, if it's a multiple choice question, would be letter D. You got that? Who got that? Okay.